Hello everyone, welcome back for the computer session once again. Dear students, last period we have started to learn lesson number 5 and lesson number 5 is Introduction to Hypertext Markup Language. In this previous session, we have covered few points and in this lesson total points which we are going to learn are what is hypertext markup language, creating, saving and viewing web page, then HTML element and their types, then HTML head, title and body elements, then HTML font and base font. Also, we are going to learn applying text styles, then aligning text in center, then paragraph formatting, then inserting blank lines and horizontal lines, and then inserting comments in an HTML. So these all points we are going to cover through this lesson. And already we have covered some few points. Those points are what is hypertext markup language. The introduction session already we have completed in first class, first period. And then we learn creating, saving and viewing. The previous session we learned how to create the basic HTML file and how to save with the .html. Also, we have learned HTML elements and their types. HTML head, title, body, all the tags, basic tags. Then also we have covered HTML head, title, body elements, then HTML font and base font elements. How we can color the fonts, how we can change the size of fonts. Those points already we have covered. So dear students, now we are going to learn how to apply the text style. Different text style are available in HTML program, how to apply those styles. Then we will cover aligning text in center. Once you have typed the text, it appears at the left side of the screen. So if you want it at the center or at the right side, how we can get it, that we are going to cover in today's session. Also, we are going to learn how to set the paragraph with the paragraph formatting tags. Then we will learn inserting blank lines and horizontal lines, and at the end we will learn how we can insert any comment with HTML program. So let's begin with applying text style. In this many styles we are going to learn. So let's have a small theoretical introduction and then practically we'll see how we can apply this. The things we are going to learn, the format, these text style tags are bold, italic, underline, small, strike, TT, superscript, subscript. These are the tags. Again, few more are there. These are the basic styles. And in HTML file, HTML5, some again some are there with you which tags you can use for the applying styles to the text. Strong, DFN, site, em, var, sam, then code and kbd. So these many tags you can utilize to apply the text style. Just now keep it in your mind the names of these tags, and practically you will understand what are the uses of these all style tags. Then we will learn how we can align a text in center, then paragraph formatting, and then we will learn inserting blank lines and horizontal lines. These points we are going to cover up, and how to insert a comment. Okay, so let's begin the practical and you will understand. Let's understand the first text effects and text styles. Okay, I hope you all are ready, so let's go for the practical. Now I'm going to begin the notepad program over here. So I have clicked on notepad program and now I'm going to create a new file for that. Okay, so dear students, I have started notepad and this is the basic structure already I have created in HTML. Okay, already I have created this basic structure, just now we have to fill. Now today we are going to practice about the text style. So that's why I'm applying the text style, the title text style. Got it? Now let's move and let's do all this. In the body we will check one by one. Okay, so first we will use bold tag. So that is with the B. The bold tag is given with the B in angular bracket, and we have to close it with slash. Okay, in between we will write this is bold text. Okay, and we will check. The another style is just I'm going to select this and I'm going to copy and press enter, and I paste it. Second one we wanted to try with italic style, that is we can do with I, capital I, small I, doesn't matter, it is not case sensitive, you can use capital or small, there is no problem at all. Now third line again we want underline effect. So just I want to say this is U, we can give U. Okay, and the next one is small, next one is big. Okay, copy and paste, big and big. Next line is small, so just we have to do small. See, once I have copied, so it makes our practical little speed up. Okay, speed up our practical, so just you have to do copy and paste. Now big and small also done. Now next one is strike. We'll paste and we can use S or strike, both options are available. Okay, S for strike effect. And next one is TT. So paste it again and do it TT, TT. These, what are the use of these all tags? Once we will type and when we will see the result in the website, that time easily you will understand, and same time I'll explain you too. Okay, so now till here two TT and this one, and last two superscript and subscript, that practical we will do later on because that you cannot understand by this. So this is bold line, this is italic line, italic, this is underline, then this is big, this is big, this is small, and then this one is effect strike effect, and this is typewriter text, writer text. Okay, so here we have completed this one. So almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tags we covered in one practical. So in your textbook, it is given on the page number, the practical is program is given on the page number 112, 112. Okay, 112, and its result is given on 113, but that is quite long text is written, that's why I have gone for the simple and small one. So you practice that and you can just see the difference of the text, so it would be easy for you to understand. Now let me save this file. With while saving the file, you should be aware that you are saving with .html. So now from the desktop we are going to start our file. Here is a 10 text.html, and it's getting open over here. It's getting loaded. We will wait for a few seconds to get it. Okay, so now we can see the all the text appear here on the screen. Okay, so now one thing is there that we cannot understand the difference, just we have to add the br to break the line, so it will appear on the separate line, all the things will appear on the separate line. So here I have break the line, break line, break line, here also break line. At the end of all the lines I'm doing br is for the break line. Now let's save this one once again. Now let's do the refresh. Now all appear on the separate line, so we can easily understand the difference between. Now let's see and understand what it is. When you will apply the bold effect, the text will appear little dark, little bold. When you will apply italic style, it will be in little slanting way in italic text. When you will apply U underline effect, it will appear, the text will appear with the underline. When you will apply big tag, the text will appear one size bigger than the normal. These are the normal size, but this one is one size bigger than the normal size. Okay, normal size is 3, so it appear with the 4. Normal size is 3, this appear with the size 4. Small. Now when you will apply the small tag, the text will appear one size smaller than the normal size. So this is a normal size and this is a smaller than this. Okay, one size. So normal size is 3. So can you guess what is the size of this one? One size less. Yes, it is 2. The size is 2. Text size is 2. Then we have learned S for strike. When you will apply this, then it will appear one strike line, means one line on the text. So strike effect we can get it with the help of S tag. Also you can write here strike. Okay, you can write complete word strike or S, but we want to use the convenient, so S is will be easy to type and to edit. Next is TT tag. TT tag, when you will apply this style, then it will appear like a typewriter machine text. Okay, in typewriter, how we when we type, how the text appear, the text font style will appear like typewriter. I hope you understood this all tag. It's very easy, very simple, and very convenient to type to. Let's begin now the next tag, superscript and subscript. Okay, let's go for superscript and subscript. Before that, okay, so let's go for superscript and subscript. Now superscript raise text little up, and subscript lowers the text little downside. So let's understand by this. Now if we want to write 10, okay, so if you want to write 10, here I want to show you, just watch it on the screen. I will type 2 times 10, which looks impressive. The first one is like this, and second one is like this. So which one you think like good, or always the method of writing if you want to write 10? So definitely you will go for the first one. So in this first one, if you will see, this th is raised little up. Second one, it is at the same level, but in this it is raised little up. So how we can do in HTML? So for that we need to use superscript effect. So for that I am going to write here, I am studying in 10th standard. So this th we want up, there we want to write superscript, superscript effect for the th, and after th we want to close that effect, so that while slash sup. I hope you understood. Okay, so I am studying in 10th standard, and this th will raise little up. So let's check this one. Okay, I'm going to save this file, save this one, and go and do refresh. Now this I am studying in 10th, so this th is written raised up. Okay, now the subscript effect is just opposite of that. So let's make a one more example. For example, like when we want to write H2O, H2O. So how we are writing this water formula? Okay, so this 2 will be, I think so, lower down, right? So how we can take this lowered effect? So let's see, here we can type. Okay, let's see, we can type here H2O, and then we are going to type here water formula is H, and after that we want subscript effect for 2, and afterwards we want to close. After 2 it should get close, so slash sub, and then we will write O. Okay, and BR is already written, so let's begin here. Go to file and save and do refresh over here. Now we can see water formula is H2O. So this 2 is lower down. How we have done that? With the subscript effect. So dear students, these all are the effect of given on the page number 111. Now we are going to learn page number 112, different tags. So same way we are going to make again the lines over here. We are going to make some changes in this line. So let's erase this all and keep the first line. We will copy and we will paste. So this is a strong, this is strong. So we will go for this text. This is strong text, and here we are going to do paste. Now let's copy this one, the whole line, and place it down again. 8 effects are there, so 8 line we will paste and we will change. Now I am copying and pasting 8 time to this. So I have copied and pasted it 8 times. So let's change DFN. The second one is DFN. So we have to just copy this type once and copy and paste V, then V. Next one is site, CIET. The tag is site, copy, paste, and paste. So just we are doing copy and paste. All these tags we have to write. Next one is EM. Here we have to write EM. Again here it is EM. So you have to make changes max to max this starting tag and end tag. In between, whatever text you want to display, you can display. Okay. Next one is VAR variable. VAR variable. Okay. Now the next one is after VAR. Here it is given SAMP. SAMP. Okay. So we will do SAMP, then copy and paste, then paste. So here everything we are doing together again, like last time how we have done in the previous program, and we will compare and we will check what are the uses and what are the effects of these all tags after writing. Okay, and the last one is now KBD. KBD. Okay, and here we'll copy and paste it here, paste and paste. So code is remain to paste in the line over here. Okay, so dear students, here we completed our coding work, and let's begin now. Let's save this one. Okay, I'm going to save once again, save this one, and I'm going to refresh now, and we will see the result of the program. So in this we can see now the result, it is displayed. So first two are very easy. Strong is alternate of the bold. You can use as a bold or strong, it will appear as a bold text. DFN is also alternate for the italic tag. So this first is bold and second one is appear with the italic. Okay, little dark and slanting style. Okay, so these are the two easily tag we can understand. Now the next one is a CIET. Okay, sometime in your website if you want some quotation that you can use is a italic style. Okay, title, books title, or sometime it can be name of character. So that time you can utilize this CEIT. So it appears little different than the regular. Now the next EM tag. So em tag is emphasizing a single line in italic, means it is printing again in the italic like dfn. Now the next one is var means variable, so it appear the variable in italic style, the variable appear in the italic style. So generally if you will see this second one dfn site and this one var, this appears in the italic format. This is for variable. Okay, this is for emphasizing means stressing the text, and this one is for the italic, simple italic style. Then next one is a SAMP. SAMP appears for the literal character by displaying the text in fixed width. It displaying the text in fixed width to display the text in. Now the next one is a code. Code in the text by displaying it in a fixed width font. Both are used for the displaying in fixed width font. This will appear, code will appear with a fixed width and SAML. And now last is KBD. KBD is used keyboards entries by displaying the text in plain width font. Okay, these are the fixed, the two are the fixed one, and this is plain. Okay, generally and most probably these options are not used. Just you can go for the bold, italic, underline. Okay, so generally those who are writing the blogs, they, those person can use this all the different to highlight the text in their blog. Suppose you are writing any story, in that you have the different characters and some dialogues or some important points you want to highlight. So that time you can utilize such tags and you can use it. Otherwise the regular styles are used: bold, italic, underline, strikeout, and tt, superscript, subscript, those tags. I hope you understood this, all the tags what we have learned till now. So dear students, now we are going to learn the next tag. Next tag is about, already we have learned heading tags in the previous session. So heading tag is displayed with h1. Okay, so this is my heading. I have typed this is my heading, and I'm going to close this h1. So heading tag is given. Now what we are going to learn the different things in this today. Let's do refresh and check it. Okay, I didn't save this one, so first we have to save and then do a refresh. Okay, so now we can see this is an, we can say this is my heading. Now heading is given, but now this heading appear at the left side of the screen by default. Sometimes this heading, if you want in the center, how we can get it, or at the right side, then how to get it. So that we are going to do with the align tag. Okay, so here you have to do this alignment tag. We can utilize with the help of align. We can arrange it with the help of align. So let's me type here, let me type over here h1, and then after that we have to type align is equal to, and then we have to write, inform the site, which site, right side, and save this and do refresh. Now if you will maximize the screen, then we will understand. Okay, let's do again. If you will remove this, by default it is left. Okay, by default it is left, it is left. But if you want to arrange at the right side, what to do, you have to make a changes. Align is equal to right, you need to save and you need to refresh. Now suppose we want at the middle of the page, center of the page, then just do here center. We need to type over here center, save this and just do a refresh. Now it appear at the center of the page. It's very simple, very easy tag that we have to align left, right, and center. I don't think so you will feel any difficulty to do this. Okay. So with the help of the align attribute, you can align the text in the center. So here we have covered up one more point, how to arrange text in the center or how to align the text in center. Now next tag we are going to learn about the paragraph. In this included p tag, pre tag. Okay, these two tags are included. So let's understand this p tag and pre tag. So for that we need to type a paragraph. Okay, p for paragraph and pre how we want the settings, that way we can do it. So here I am going to create a p tag and I want to close this p tag. I have closed this p tag, and now let's understand this p tag. Let's start it. So here I'm going to press enter, and I want one paragraph, so I'm going to copy and paste one paragraph over here. So here I have copied and pasted one tag, that is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and here I want to apply, this is the heading. So for that I want to just type over here h1, h1, and this one, and close h1. Okay, align center, align is equal to center. We have done now. So we are going to save this file and we are going to check this paragraph. So file and save and do refresh. So here we have opened our file, we have